Hi guys, this is my third video tutorial related to locators in Selenium. So in this tutorial I am going to cover XPath locator and I will show you how to capture element in a web page using XPath. So guys, we can write XPath in a number of ways, and in this tutorial I'm going to use some common ways to write XPath. So today also I'm going to use Facebook registration page sections like in our previous tutorials. So let's start this. So I already opened my Firefox web browser, and you also just open the Firefox browser and go to facebook.com. So once you're there, right click and go to the inspect element section. So here use this icon, pick an element from the page icons to inspect elements. So just click on that and click on this the elements whatever you want to capture, right? So just click on here. So once you click, you can see the relevant informations will be displayed, and here you can see the blue color highlighted area. So you need to use these informations to create your XPath. Just so here just enter to / here, and here you can see the tag is input tag, right? So give this input tag here. I'm going to use ID attribute here, so just copy this ID value and paste it here. So you can make sure whether you capture the element correctly or not. Just hit enter, and here you can see the relevant elements got highlighted, right? So just copy this XPath, go to your Eclipse IDE. So like in our previous tutorials, we need to use we need to first declare these variable values. So use this web element keywords, web element tf underscore first name, right? First name equal driver dot find element by dot. So here we need to use the XPath locator, right? So just select that, and inside the double quotes give this XPath, right? So once you capture this element, you need to enter values to this first name text box, right? So give whatever the values you need to pass here. So you need to call this send case method. So I am here entering test first name, right? So likewise, just right click and run and see whether you capture the this XPath correctly or not, and whether this is running fine or not, right? Right. So here you can see the browser got opened and maximized, navigated to facebook.com, and yeah, there here enter test first name, right? So I'm going to close this browser. So we'll try to capture another element, right? Another the element is surname. We'll try to capture that one as well. So just click on here, click on surname. So these are the informations related to the surname highlighted in the blue color area. So here I'm going to use the name attribute. Just copy it, replace this in ID with name, right? And give this name value there. Just hit enter key and make sure you capture the element in a proper way or not, right? Just copy this, go to Eclipse, same set of code you need to add here as well. Tf underscore surname equal driver dot find element XPath. Select the XPath locator inside this double quote, pass this XPath value. Right. So in order to pass the values to surname text box, you need to use this variable you created, surname, and call the send keys method and enter whatever the values you need to pass. Test surname. Right. So guys, this is very easy. You just need to practice this, right? So start this from today onwards if you are new to this automation field. So I think this will be very, very useful for you guys, right? So the upcoming tutorials I'm planning to do, how to write XPath. So here I use few ways. So since this is related to this XPath locator, I just want you to just to give you a high level understanding how to use this XPath locator, right? So guys, we'll see some other elements as well to capture. So let's assume if you want to capture this create an account label, so just click on there and click on create an element. Right, you can see this blue color highlighted area. So we need to write the XPath using these values, right? So the tag is span, so we need to replace input with span, and here we need to use contains, right? So contains text, and you need to give this this value here, right? So just click and see, just hit the enter and see whether you, yeah, here you can see, right? So just copy this value, go to the Eclipse IDE, same set of code here. So here this is a label underscore create account. So we can use these labels during our test script execution, right? So we can verify whether the label is appeared or not during the execution. We don't, so right, so that's it. And guys, we'll see another one as well. Say assume if you want to click this female radio button, just click on here and click on this female radio button. So these are the informations related to that female radio button. So here you can use the tag as input, right? Replace this with input. Yeah, here you can, I am going to capture this using this name equal, right? Here just copy this value and paste it here. And if you want to check another attribute as well, just give and here you can use this value attribute as well, right? That value equal 1. Just hit the enter key and see whether you captured correctly or not. Just copy this, go to web element, assume this is as a button and female, driver.find element by.xpath, right? Give that xpath here, right? So here we need to click this radio button, right? So you need to call the method as click, and you can click that click that radio button, right guys? So just right click and run this to check whether this is working or not with this script, right? So open the browser, maximized, navigated to facebook.com, enter first name. Here you can see they click the female button